Welcome back. My Vega Racing BMX race machine is getting new forks. The carbon Vega racing forks. They're white. Got the 10mm inserts in there. They are good to go. Look at that carbon stem all the way through. Yeah, Vega Racing BMX. Yeah, look at that detail. Really like it. It's white carbon, or white paint over the carbon. As you see there, it's got the carbon stem there. It's got a unique tube there for the compression screw. Different unique diameter, and you saw how long that screw was. Good looking fork. So light. I'm gonna weigh it in a second, check it out, but it's really light. Yeah. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you've had a fork with the carbon stem as well. It looks really good. Really excited. Alright, there's that stem. But first, we're going to weigh this thing and see how much it weighs. It feels really light. Trusty luggage scale. £1.02. Wow, super light. I've seen some of the Vega racers racing these that put a lot of stress on them, so they look strong. I've seen the black ones. There you go. It's going to be the new fork. Alright, we're going to take off front wheel. Breaking out the 8 Allen wrench for those profile hubs. Love them. Working in the yard. Alright, now the hub's off. Now we got to get the stem loose and get these forks out. Hang on to those. I'm going to reuse the spacer ring there. Alright, now let's start the process of getting this fork out. Alright, there it was. Move the stuff around a little bit and let's get the wheel and start getting this thing built back into a bike. I was just pointing out to remember to put the rotation direction in proper order since my tires are already mounted. Spacing fit really nicely. Went right together with no gaps or extra stress on the fork. Let's tighten her up. Alright, that seems to be together pretty good. Alright, gonna put some regular bike grease on there to make sure it works good. Doesn't hang up and get crusty. Alright, it was basically the reverse process of taking it apart, and you didn't need to see that. So there it is, rolling around. I like it. Looks good, feels good, it's light, feels solid. Super stoked to have this on the bike now. The Vega's looking good. Love the bike. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.